In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious and fluffy chocolate cake. The first thing you want to do is to mix your dry ingredients. In my bowl, I went in with my flour. I'm making use of all-purpose flour. I added my sugar and I mixed them up together. Then I poured in my baking powder and my baking soda. I went in with my cocoa powder. I mixed all together. For my wet ingredients, I'm going to be using milk, vanilla flavor, eggs, and I'm going to add them up together in a cup. Then the next thing, I'll come back with my dry ingredients, and this time I'm going to be mixing up my dry ingredients and my wet ingredients together. So I'm going to mix them till they are well combined. After that, the next thing I'm going to do is to get very hot water, like boiling hot water. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of that to my mixture. And now our chocolate cake batter is ready. Pour in your batter evenly in your cake pan. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe and click the like button. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to show you how I decorated the cupcake. Thank you so much for watching.